Okay, something weird is going on in the skies. Something to do with China or something. The US shoots down an unknown object, and the ISS space station captures an unknown object in the same path going to Alaska. Please check this out from Mr. MBB and Sky News Australia. Okay, credit goes to them. Look at this.
We have no further details about the object at this time, including any description of its capabilities, purpose, or origin. The object was about the size of a small
They don't know the origin, purpose. They don't know anything about this object.
car, so not similar in size or shape to the high-altitude surveillance balloon that was taken down off the coast of South Carolina on February 4.
What's going on up there? Okay, now check this out from Mr. MBB 333. I recommend you to subscribe because he does an amazing job. Look at this. From the ISS space station, again in the Pacific.
Hey, what's up guys? Breaking news from the Pentagon where apparently they've spotted yet another mysterious object in the sky, this time above Alaska. This story is just about 2 or 3 hours old, and apparently they took the object out of the sky. I wanted to show you guys some video footage submitted by Mary Hall.
Look at this.
From that same exact location. The ISS was traveling above Alaska when she noticed some
See? Here, okay? And then one coming down really, really fast.
mysterious white objects like this one right here headed towards Alaska out above the Pacific Ocean. You're going to see another white object come into the field of view, visible from the International Space Station in the vicinity of Alaska out over the Pacific Ocean. Here it comes. See it right there? Moving into the field of view and then out of the field of view. I'm wondering if these are related to the objects that the Pentagon are talking about, especially today, since this is in the same vicinity as...
You see? And they're saying here, okay, see, the US believes a suspected Chinese surveillance balloon that was shot down over its territory is part of a wider fleet that has spanned in 5 continents. What is going on? See, are they making a strategic move? I don't know. Listen, you might have heard as well about a chunk of the sun broken off. I don't think it's a literal chunk. Listen. This is from Suspicious Observers, okay? Please, listen to him.
I swear there's no such thing as journalism anymore. If you didn't know this by the last 3 years, it's now getting to the point where even scientific stories, stuff they didn't used to mess up, outside of the climate realm, which they've gotten wrong the entire time in the history of ever. If you've been watching us since last sunspot cycle, you watched me have to trounce the Weather Channel, Fox News, CNN, everybody because they were terrible at reporting space weather and things happening on the sun. This one might take the cake. So many of you have seen or heard the news. A chunk of the sun has ripped away, erupted in a first ever unprecedented event. My goodness, how bad is the internet at reporting the sun? I am encouraged by how many observers I've seen on Twitter and YouTube and other places correcting these pitiful reports. You observers are quite easy to spot in the comment sections. And indeed, a plasma filament did erupt on the northern solar polar crown. That is true. However, it is not a first ever event, nor is it unprecedented. Neither is the presence of the filament in that position. As we went over just a few days ago when the filament appeared, articles like this also appeared online. And even though the title says unprecedented, just a few lines down into the article, they tell you these happen every sunspot cycle. How is that unprecedented? Furthermore, in every previous instance, those filaments have erupted away. In fact, we have shown them in our show before. Literally, this thing that has happened many times always rips away in a filament eruption. So folks, just like with that Earth core rotation story from last week, we need to inject some realism and reality to the nonsense they're feeding us online. This is not unlike hundreds of other filaments every year that erupt. At least some of those were aimed at Earth and had a chance to create.
And see, this is why I think, okay, that they saying all this to make you believe it's climate change. That's why you have it in the news. So, yep. Listen, the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a proof, okay, in the Red Sea crossing story of Moses. If that story is true, then the Bible, what do we do with it? Remember, it says that he had a pillar of fire behind the Israelites. I'm going to show you that proof, okay? I'm going to show you that proof along with this. Yep. So this is my next video, okay? Just wanted to share this one really quick, you know. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.